Hey, it's Allison from Computers.mom here to show you how to share photos on a Mac. The first step is to open the Photos app, which I happen to have right here in the dock. Now I need to find the photos that I want to share. These photos are grouped by moments, in other words, the date and place they were taken. I can just look at them in order by date without the moments, but I find moments more useful, so let's stick with that. Now we need to select the photos once we've located the ones we want to share. To do that, you're going to need a couple of keys on the keyboard, Shift and Command. Make sure you know where those are for the next step. When I click on any single photo, a blue border around it indicates that it's selected. But if I click another one, I lose the selection on the first one. So how do I select more than one? Click the first photo, and if they're in a row, hold the Shift key and click the last one. Now, as you can see, there are borders around those 4 photos. They're all selected. And in fact, if you look at the upper right-hand corner, it tells you that you have 4 photos selected. If you don't want all 4, to add or remove, just hold the Command key and click on any photo. That removes it from the selection. You can add more the same way. Once you've selected the photos you want to share, go up to the upper right-hand corner to this Share button right up here. Click it and then click on Shared Albums. Now you need to type a comment. It says it's optional, but it's a really good idea to include a comment so that the recipient knows this isn't some kind of scam when they receive the invitation. Then click New Shared Album, and you're ready to give your album a name in this first box up here. And then you're going to add recipients for the album in the second box. You can either type the full email address, or if they're already in your address book, you're just going to start typing the name and they should show up. If you have more than one recipient, separate the names or the email addresses with a comma. When your album's ready to go, click the Create button and an invitation will be sent by email to the people you listed as recipients. Now, on the left-hand side in my library, I can see there's a new shared album with the name I gave it. It takes a moment for the photographs to show up, as you see, but I'm done sharing. So it's a lot of little steps, but none of them are difficult. Let's recap quickly. In the Photos app, you're going to select all the photos that you want to share. To do that, if they're in a row, click the first one, and then Shift-click the last one. If there are single photos you want to add or remove, hold the Command key and click on the photos that you want to include or exclude. Remember that you'll see the total number of selected photos in the upper right-hand corner. Then click the Share button on the upper right-hand corner, click Shared Albums. In the little window that appears, write a descriptive comment and click New Shared Album. Give the album a name, and then add the recipients separated by commas, either email addresses or names. Finally, click the Create button, and you're done. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button, and feel free to add your comments or questions below. Thanks for watching.